So it's car washing day, and it's kind of dirty here. It's just showing you the before. Dang, I hope you can see. I know y'all can see that dirt. It's car washing day. I hope I can set my phone up to get some good footage for you. Just showing you the before and after, but it doesn't look that dirty on camera, but this thing is dirty. But what I love about where I stay is they have the setup where I don't use this air thing, but they got the water hose. And shoot, Love's right up the street. I just go to Love's and vacuum out my car. I keep it simple. Got my rags here, microfiber rags. My little bucket, 5-gallon bucket. This is for the tire shine, but not today because it's been messing up. So this for my tires, cleaning the tires. I like to wash with this one really. I bought this one from Amazon, but I don't like it like that. I'm gonna use it. I got my wash and wax. This is like if you want to spray the carpets or something. I don't use it much, but it smells good. Windex you can use for the windows, and it's like an overall, you can wipe down your car, any blemishes. I did my grandma's car last week or something, and Windex, like she wears makeup, and she got a little makeup. It took the makeup off. This is for the bugs and like that. So this is the tire shine. I'm using chemical guys right now. I'll be trying different tire shines out to see how I like them. And this is the chamois. We do a hand dry because can't do if you let it air dry. If you let your car air dry, most likely it's gonna have water spots. So put the soap in here, put a little bit, you don't need too much, and then I'm gonna put my stuff in here, put a little bit on my rag, what do you call this thing? Put a little bit on my washing utensils, tired thing. Man, it's okay not to have any on the bug thing. It's not a big deal. Now, gonna go fill it up. So we got our bucket filled. Next thing we want to do is wet the car. You don't want to wash. You want to wash your tires last because the water's going to get even much more dirtier. After you wash your tires, it's one of the dirtiest parts. So I saved the tires for last. But what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna go ahead and spray on this tire shine, because really, if y'all didn't know, you're really supposed to use tire shine as the last thing. I mean, as the first thing. You're supposed to put tire shine first, and then wash your car. That's really how you're supposed to do it, because with tire shine, it has like silicone in it. And if that silicone gets on your car or on your wheels, it's hard to get off once it dries. So I put the tire shine on there before. I'm gonna do it today, but sometimes I was using that little blue thing to put it on after I wash the car, but that's been acting up. So I'm just spraying this on just like that. It's still gonna have a nice shine. It'll still have a nice shine once you're done washing. If you see, I don't care where it's going right now because it's about to come off. Yeah, if that's paint, if that stuff gets on your silicone and see, it flies, the wind will blow it up on your car paint. And if you do it after you wash your car, it can show. And then your car, your car will be greasy. So it's really safer to do this stuff before you wash your car. So y'all, I'm gonna just let it play. I had to prop my phone up so y'all can see basically most of it, I guess. Shit, I'm gonna just let it run, make my edits later. But right now I'm scrubbing the front, getting the bugs and stuff out. The trick is you don't want the water to dry on your car either, so as you go you might have to rinse because you don't want the soap to dry, the suds to dry. Hey, if you in Jacksonville, hit me up. You could come. Really, I'm in St. Johns County, but over here by where it's just started at St. Johns County, where Jacksonville meets St. Johns County. Windows. Really, I need to put some more on here. Suds, bud. Hey, y'all sounding like y'all know who Damian Darling is? He's a comedian on YouTube, Damian Darling. You be like, yeah, bub. Things like that. So this was just getting the bugs off. Little sap, tree sap I had on there. Really, you want to wash all cars double, twice. Usually, you want to wash your car twice to make sure all the gook is off. So, I do half and half. I do half and half. I wash one half first and then I start on the second one. So I wash one half twice. I mean, you gotta get it all in there too. You need to get the bottom. Caress her like you giving her a massage. You don't want her stinking. I'm a little short, I can't reach all the way on the roof, but you can also open your door, stand up on here, get your roof, the hood I meant. Hood, roof, it's all the top, it's all the same. Hood, roof. This bag is dirty, y'all. The bag's gonna get its own wash. Yeah, so the back is really dirty, so the back is going to get its own separate wash. So this is wash number 1 on the driver's side. Wash number 1 on the driver's side. And you want to go top to bottom. Let the suds fall down. Let the suds roll down. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. I gotta get one of those mic thingies. One of those little mics. And always wet your windows. That's why you want to go top to bottom, because the windows will dry first. Especially when you're out in the sun. The windows will dry first. You don't want the windows, water spots on there. Soap, film on soap, what is it called? I don't know. So you see I'm going top to bottom. Let it roll off. So sometimes if you're feeling fancy, you can open and wash in your door jambs. But I'm not going to wash in it. They're not too bad. Like if they're really bad, I'll wash it. The door jambs, oh crap. If they're really bad, I'll wash the door jambs, but if not, I'll just take my hey, what do you call it? Microfiber towel. If your door jambs aren't that bad, use your microfiber towel. Now the second time around, I'm just doing the car, not the windows. Windows are good. Second time around, just get the body of the car the second time. Things like that, but let me stop. I gotta get my own. Can't be copying another comedian stuff, you know, punchlines and shit. I gotta find my own shit to say. Yeah, my body clock wakes me up about 8 o'clock, 7:30. My normal body clock, because I wake up early every day anyway. So it's almost 9 o'clock right now. Nice. Okay, now, we're going to the other side so you guys won't hear me that well. Gotta be careful because we got snakes. So, that was number 1 for the passenger side. And you want to move quick so your soap doesn't dry. Damn, I forgot my headband. Okay, I'm getting ready to wash it again. Passenger side, but I'm going to open up my gas door so I can wash inside of my gas door. It can get really dirty in there. And now you know you're doing it right, because the second time you wash it, it should be nice and smooth. Should be nice and smooth. All right. Now, I'm going to get the back after this. Do the back by itself. And I'm going to do a whole nother rinse down on the whole car before I hand dry it. Hey, on my way to the back. I'll be back. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm doing the wheels on this side. I'll be back. Now I also wash the rims twice. Wash them once, rinse it off, wash again. That's what wash twice means, y'all. You're not rinsing between your washing. That's not a whole wash. You gotta rinse the dirt off, then you wash it again. So yeah. Put the tires, make sure you get in there real good. Get where you put the lug nuts real good. Where we put those lug nuts for you. Goddamn. God damn. I hate that. Got a crick in the hose. A bend in the hose. I call it a crick. Oh, now it's going real good. I don't need it on that high, man. That's why I always wear a headband. Sweat be in my eyes, hurting my eyes from the chemicals in my hair, sweating to my eyes. I used to do this like for 2 years. Where I learned how to professionally wash a car. When I worked at this one place, I worked at Honda. So 2 years, I had experience, so I know, I just want to show y'all a few tips for those of y'all who like to wash at home. Now, it's all done. I'm about to hand dry it. Just giving it one final rinse down. Got the chamois. Just want to wet the chamois a little bit. And I start drying the windows first. Remember, windows dry the fastest. Lift your little thing up real quick. Sometimes I just let it drip the water down from the blade. From the window wiper. Lift it up, let the water drip off. I do want to say things like that. So bad. I wish I came up with that. Yeah, he might have got it from somebody too. Want to make sure you wring your chamois out, or it ain't gonna get dry. Sometimes you might have to go over a spot once or twice with it. On the high line. Pretty Ricky. Y'all remember that? Pretty Ricky. Hey. On the high line. And me. Now, usually what I like to listen to, really, almost anything I'm doing, I be listening to them Afro beats, you know. I go hard for Africa, especially ever since I found out my lineage. I go hard for Africa. Shit, that's where my people come from. Nah. That's on my mama's side. I don't know my daddy's side lineage. I'll find out one day. But I think my dad's dad came from, I think Barbados or Bahamas, or born in the Bahamas, something like that. Cause when I was doing my ancestry, you know how they give you, like, they'll show you some documents. And it showed that he was on my paternal grandfather, it showed that he was on a passenger ship when he was like 7 or 9 years old. 7 to 9 years old. He was on a passenger ship coming to America from the Bahamas. So I think I got me some Caribbean blood too, but I have to get my dad or somebody on his side to take the test. I don't know if y'all saw my hat, but my hat, I got an African hat on. It say, let's say Nairobi, Kenya. I got it from a site where the African college kids create the styles of the stuff that's being sold on the website. And anything you buy from the website will help them with college, with books, with stuff like that. Help them continue making the brand, you know, like a For Us, By Us brand. I love to support our people. So right now I got an African hat on. I got my Cameroonian flag in my car. You gotta represent. Ooh, nice and shiny. Look at you, girl. Woo, it's hot. If y'all can see, she is nice and shiny now. See that shine? I know y'all see that shine on there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. So, anyway. So, this is the hat I was telling y'all about. I got from the African website. So, anyway. What is it called? Varsity 54, I think. Varsity 54, I think is the website. You can, if you have the app Shop, SHOP, it's a little purple app. You can shop. They're on that shop. They're on the Shop app. So anyway, I was telling you, I got my Cameroonian flag in here, in my car. Most of us, brown people, whatever you want to call us, indigenous people, we don't know our culture, our heritage, our ancestral lineage. So we don't know what to represent. And I was feeling lost in that way. I know I told y'all this before, but so I got my Cameroonian flag in my car because listen, I'm not putting the American flag in my car. I'm not doing it. I mean, whether my people was here before Columbus got here or whether they came through the slave trade, my lineage, my bloodline is there. I mean, we could have came here and made a home, but still, we came from Cameroon first. So, I like to support my heritage because I don't see many of my people doing that. Like, where you come from? Like, I see Jamaicans, Cubans, Puerto Ricans. They do it. They real passionate about their heritage and their lineage. But us as black people, it's just really we just don't even really know. You know what I'm saying? We really don't even know. So once I found out, I said I'm about to support my. I got me a Cameroonian lanyard. I got my house keys on it. You know what I'm saying? Support Africa. I got me an Ibrahim Traore shirt from the same website. They got Thomas Sankara. He on there. They got, y'all should check out this website. It's a lot of nice designs on the shirt. I would say it's more sporty wear. I guess it's like graphic tees. They got some hoodies, some sweats on there. They got a few things. They got some hats, but for the most part, it's not girly girl stuff. If that they do have clothes for like t-shirts for women and stuff, but it's t-shirts pretty much, you know. So, but it's just supporting the brand. But yeah, I don't see a lot of people that's lineages from Africa represent their homeland. So I say, hey, I'm gonna be a pioneer. But that was it, folks. I took enough of your time today. Thanks for watching. If you watched this far, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm very thankful. I'm about to go vacuum it out, wipe my door jams down, chill on the rest of this nice Sunday. Y'all have a beautiful day.